Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to clean a box fan. Since most of the time I keep on showing stand fan lah, desk fan lah, wall fan lah, whatever fan lah. Now I'm gonna show you something that is a bit more difficult to clean, a box fan. So first you need a screwdriver, a Singer oil or 3-in-1 oil for lubrication, and whatever thing you are using to clean it later on. So first, this is a vintage fan, so this is specifically for national box fans. For the slim kind like this, F123T, F125T, and F126T, which is this one. So first, I'm gonna on the flash, but I'm not wet. Okay, now the flash available. Turn this to the left to break it open. Then you pull it out gently. You see how much dust are there. And then you open this to the left as usual. Now once you open this, be careful because you don't want to lose the screws. Ignore my hand please, I have eczema, very bad one, so please ignore it. Don't ask, just don't ask. I hate people asking me about my eczema. Just pull this out. You know how much I use this. This is a high hour fan. It's still very smooth. Since the last time I lubricated this thing. Okay. Now turn behind. You are going to see 2 screws. And here there's 9. F160. Yeah, made in Japan from 86. You do not open this. You open this, you're gonna open the entire back here. Some box fan, you must open the entire back to open the back wheel. But this one is more convenient. Just open the bottom screw here and the top screw here, and then gently pry it out. Okay, these screws are a bit tight, so I can't hold the camera. So wait. And this is just habits that I like to do. The top screw, you put it on top. The bottom screw, you put it underneath it later. If I have 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, one here, according to where the screws are at. So the bottom one is also a very rusty screw. Okay, but it's not as tight as the other one. These screws are in bad shape, but on the inside it still looks fine. Okay, it's open. This one doesn't want to come out usually. Okay, now it can. See, inside is still gold. Outside is don't know. I put it bottom of there, like that, just like that. Then you wanna check for these things, so you just shake it off, shake the bottom part and slowly press it in. So let me show you. You don't pull it out like this, you press it in a bit and you slowly gently pull it out. Then you can do the same here. Okay, just like that. Now this, oh wait, okay, for the ones who have the tight plate, you might want to use, you might want to bring a plier out too, because this thing is usually tight. Mine I guess it became loose by itself, so yeah, I didn't tighten it enough that time. And for some fans, you have this thing, this metal thing. You can just use a screwdriver and pry it out a bit gently. Probably not so gentle. Wait a minute. Guys, I guess in the end you still need to bring out your pliers because this thing are tight. Okay, so I brought out my plier. A small one will do. And be careful, do not cut the wire by accident, so you might want to show that out. So put this here and here and press slowly. Okay, it's a bit hard to do it with without two hands. Okay, got it out. Then you pull it and put it one side. And then this, if you still cannot pull it, then you can use your pliers and then turn the blade. Okay, then it will come out slowly. Okay, so you pull it out. And you add, I forgot that you have this small washer over here, and it belongs over there, but when you're cleaning it you can just put it on the shelf. A bit stiff, and the gasket is a bit off. It's okay. Excuse me. So you wipe this, and yeah. Okay. Ignore the background. So yeah. I'm just not gonna show you when I'm cleaning it. And one more thing. This thing you can open. Like, you can open this white thing. Boom. Okay, you can just, at most you can just pull it out like that, and you can wipe a bit on the inside here, and then you can turn it forward and clean it a bit, and then you can push it back. Yeah. Okay guys, I have finally finished cleaning the grill. This is how you should do it. I mean, like, take a very wet cloth, not even damp, because like this thing is frequently taken care of, and is always clean, yet it's so dusty. And like usually some other people, they have no time to clean it. Then like every single festival, then they will clean it. By the time it's too late, or once a month, it'll be too late. It'll be so dusty and very hard to clean. So one damp cloth, and then take your screwdriver, and basically this is how I did it.